This is the Leonardo Momento Zero Tredici Grande fountain pen. The pen comes in a gray cardboard sleeve, the Momento Zero on the top of the box lid with the Pen Chalet logo on the bottom. This is a pen that is made exclusively by Leonardo for Pen Chalet. This exterior sleeve will slide off. The box is, or I'm sorry, the pen is also inside of a black box. It has the Leonardo logo embossed on the top of this box, which will also slide off. And then the pen has a black case, just basic design, no designs or branding on it. Hinge style lid on the box that lifts open. There's information about the Momento Zero Grande pen. And the Leonardo logo is printed in black on the underside of the box lid with a fabric interior. Included with the pen is a bottle of Momento or Leonardo ink. And of course we have the Leonardo Momento Zero Grande fountain pen. The pen has a Abyss celluloid material. There's the faceted sides on both the cap and the barrel, give you a little bit of a shimmer and glisten. That celluloid material has that as well, but the different faceted sides will sparkle as the light hits it. Comes with a gold trim. There's 3 gold bands here on the cap of the pen. Basic conical shape on both the top of the cap and bottom of the barrel. There is a knob here that will actuate the piston for filling the pen with ink. It is a threaded cap that will post on the end of the pen if you would like to. It also has a gold nib with a black feed, ebonite feed on the back. The nib is engraved with the Leonardo logo. Since it's a piston style fountain pen, this knob unscrews from the back and allows you to actuate the piston to fill the pen with ink. Leonardo is a great brand from Italy, some great designs. The celluloid material is just really popular, really great material. Get your Leonardo Momento Zero Tredici fountain pen at penchalet.com.